Welcome to my channel, guys. In this video I will tell you how to share Capcut video to Snapchat. So before this, the Snapchat app should have installed in your phone. After that, when you open Capcut, then tap on new project and after tapping on new project, select the video you want to edit and share it to Capcut. Now we have added the video to Capcut. So you should have also edit it, but I am directly going to export option to tell you the method. So for exporting the video, tap on arrow icon on the upper right corner. Now the video is exporting, so we should wait for some seconds. Now the video is exported. In the bottom you can see many options like YouTube, WhatsApp, but Snapchat is not available here. So for this, tap on other option and here scroll the apps. Here you can see Snapchat app. So tap on this and the video has added to Snapchat, so you can send it to your Snapchat friends. Also add it to stories by tapping on stories icon in the bottom. So that is the method. Hope you will like this video. Thanks.